day, let me lose myself again. Give me something for the pain. Always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die. That we would come to this. That we would say goodbye. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Don't wanna think about the past. I'm crying out behind a mask. So give me something for the pain. I wanna lose myself again. Please get out of my mind. Just get out of my sight. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to a new vlog. If you're seeing my face for the first time, a warm welcome to you. My name is Mogomotsi Mdluli. I hope you stay, I hope you subscribe, I hope you like it here. To my regular subscribers, my supporters, thank you guys so much for always being here. I truly appreciate you. It's the start of a new vlog, guys. Vlogmas episode 5. Yeah, 5. Vlogmas is moving very slowly, like super slowly. Fellow YouTubers, let me know how it's going for you, because it's very slow. I don't know if it's because people are busy and they don't have time to sit and watch, but it's super slow. But anyway, December must we understand. Yeah. So yesterday, my husband surprised me with a spa date. It was so nice. It was much needed, super nice. We went to Kitabaya, Botswana. It's in the Joburg South. I just love the aesthetics, the peacefulness of the area. It's as though you are not in Joburg, but you are in Joburg. It's super nice. And the ladies there, they really know what they're doing. Hey, I had a backache. I'm feeling yeah, so it was really nice. It was a nice surprise. I really enjoyed it. Yeah, and then I didn't vlog much yesterday as well, so I'm here to open up the vlog. Please do enjoy. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Yeah, I think I'll catch up with you, if not today, tomorrow. But today I'm just chilling in the house. I don't want a lot of stuff. Yeah, I'm just at home. So yeah, guys, let's chat. Let me say tomorrow to be safe. Yeah, tomorrow. guys, welcome back to another day of this vlog. It's quite late in the day. Finished cleaning, then had something to eat, then only passed around after cleaning. It was quite late, so I just thought let me come by and say howdy. If you're watching till this far, thank you so much. I truly appreciate you. Please don't forget to like the video. Please don't forget to share the video. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. I would highly appreciate it. What I'll be doing now, I'm closing off the vlog, but if there is something that I need to do in the next hour or 2 hours, I will show it, but I will not come back here and speak. So yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate you. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let's catch up on the next vlog. Yeah, let's catch up on the next vlog.